Hello, beautiful people. I'm back with another video, and I am shooting it in my car, my vehicle, because I'm up early. I'm dressed to go for a 60-minute walk, a goal I set since December the 1st, that for the next 30 days, I will go for a 60-minute walk for 30 days. I'm sticking to that. Of course, today and the last few days have not been very much as we consider pleasant. But any day that I get to open my eyes and to breathe and to live and to move and have my being by the grace and the mercy of God is a beautiful, wonderful day. Okay, this video may not be very long because I do need to go ahead and go on my walk, and I'm so excited to do so. As you can see, the thumbnail on this video is my circle's gotten smaller, but my vision's gotten larger. Yes, and it's just to encourage all of us to enlarge our vision as well, because there is becoming to be new exciting times happening now in this world. There are going to be changes, which makes it exciting. So I'm shooting this video to encourage us to create with great love and to open up to the new. Let me go ahead and ask God, Spirit, ancestors to take the wheel. I believe I have favor in this place today. I believe that the light of the Lord shines upon me in this place, and that I have favor with God and man. May you protect us from any low vibrational thoughts, any low vibrational or evil eye. Protect us, block it, bind it, and return back to sender to all those who are tuned into this channel and who are listening to my message. If the divine tells me something or show me, I believe in myself to reveal it. Here is my divine revelation to give birth and hope to all them who know and believe the Christ lived on this earth in his 3D matrix, and also believe that Christ moved and walked in God's will. And Christ also taught us that he is the truth and the light, so that we may be like him, mind, brain, body, and spirit. We all have a spirit dwelling inside of us, and it is our soul. We are a soul being, and there is a divine blueprint for Christ consciousness. It's found in the Word, the Bible, the Word of God. Let me say that no one is perfect. We all go through things. I've been through many of trials and tribulations and temptations. I shot a video earlier speaking of a journey that I've just went through. It was a journey of separation for preparation. But even at that separation, now, everything lies in the now. My circle has gotten smaller, and my vision is larger. Now is your inner power. the expansion of our consciousness, we cannot rely on repeating old cycles. I don't really intend to, and I hope and pray, collective, that you have no intentions in doing it as well. Let us move on to the next spiritual level higher. I think we should move on to being more, showing more love, being full of joy, having integrity in everything that we think, say, and do, being humble, showing humility, wherever we are, whatever we're doing, whomever we're with, and also compassion. We're going to need a lot of compassion and humility coming in this new time, in these changes, because this is the most exciting time in this world. We're going to have to learn to live more in harmony and peace together in this life. And that's what I wanted to share with you on this video. I know it's short, but I wanted to say also, don't let anyone trick you out of your chosen spot. If you've been chosen and you are divine, if you've been living in divine consciousness, please don't let anyone trick you out of it. Let's move on to the next spiritual level higher. Thank you for listening. Have a blessed rest of your day. May the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable unto Thee, O Lord, my God and my Redeemer. Thank you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye.